Welcome to SaaS Track. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will discuss the most affordable web hosting and cloud VPS hosting provider InterServer. But before proceeding further, make sure to like this channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on the bell icon. InterServer is an affordable web hosting provider, delivering the best hosting services for more than 22 years. In the year 1999, they just started as shared hosting providers. Since then, InterServer has become one of the leading web hosting providers that deliver desirable customer support with their savvy products and services. As they have further evolved their services, they are providing extensive services: cloud hosting, quick servers, and dedicated servers along with shared hosting. Whether you are an individual freelancer or an enterprise owner for both domestic and international purposes, they provide hosting services. They also deliver co-location services with dedicated servers to fulfill all the customer's needs and expectations. Now, if you open the interserver.net website, you will see 4 types of hosting services: web hosting, cloud and VPS hosting, storage hosting, dedicated server. Under web hosting you have the standard shared hosting options, providing unlimited storage, email accounts, data transfer, weekly backups, and unlimited FTP accounts. Consider the pricing, which is really on the more affordable side. It gets you all the most wanted features that you might want to have on your checklist. On the other hand, if you are looking for Windows ASP.NET web hosting, here you have that option as well. And while using it, you can access all those features of a standard hosting plan. But all these features don't matter if it can't deliver high-performance hosting for your website, isn't it? While the best thing about InterServer, it ensures you about 99.9% uptime for its hosting, providing the best results in terms of speed, accessibility, and ease of usage as well. Still, if you are not satisfied with their standard plan, you may opt for booster plans Boost 2 and Boost 4. By upgrading your standard plan with Boost 2, you can enhance the performance of your website by 2 times. And if you have a further performance issue with your website, you may opt for Boost 4 to get quadruple the performance for your website. All these web hosting plans offer you exquisite features like getting access to cPanel, e-commerce hosting, a free website builder tool, SitePad, along with various cloud apps that can help you improve your website further. If you are a white label web hosting seller, InterServer provides an exquisite offer, where you can start your business as a reseller by investing in the most affordable pricing of $19.95 per month only. To further enhance your reseller, you may also opt for upgraded plans with max pricing of $69.95 per month, depending on the storage and other features. Moreover, if you are a non-profit organization or a student, you have the option to claim their standard web hosting services for free. Isn't that great? Also, you don't need to search anywhere for a domain purchase, as you can just pay a small amount to register a new domain. Or you may even look for the domain transfer for your old website. In case you are looking for private email hosting, you opt for that at a minimalistic price of $2.50 per month for a year. Now coming to their next service, VPS and cloud hosting, you have several options. VPS Home, Windows VPS, WordPress VPS, WebUser VPS, Storage Optimized VPS. In VPS Home services, you get a flexible hosting platform to deploy your online projects. InterServer provides Linux VPS cloud hosting services at an affordable price range starting from $6 per month, with 1 CPU core, 2048 MB memory, 30 GB SSD, and 2 TB data transfer rate. Depending on the requirements, users may opt for the upgraded options to get more CPU cores, memory, storage, and a higher data transfer rate. For the storage optimized VPS, you have a similar pricing option as well. While if you are looking for Windows VPS, the cost starts from $10 per month, providing 1 CPU core, 2048 MB memory, 30 GB SSD, and 2 TB data transfer rate. Although in both Linux VPS and Windows VPS most features are similar. The difference you have in the control panel cPanel for Linux VPS and PLSK for Windows VPS. Besides that, you can take hosting services dedicatedly to WordPress by opting for WordPress VPS hosting solution with a similar pricing option as Linux VPS. Also, WebUSO users who find it messy to manage several website control panels at the same time, here they have the option to get WebUSO VPS hosting services as well. The pricing is also the same, starting from $6 per month for a year. Coming to the next service of InterServer storage hosting services. There at the basic plan ST100, you get the storage of 200 GB space with 1 TB data transfer rate. You can also opt for upgraded plans. ST200 provides 1 TB space with 2 TB data transfer rate. ST300 provides 2 TB space with 5 TB data transfer rate. ST400 provides 4 TB space with 10 TB data transfer rate. ST500 provides 10 TB space with 15 TB data transfer rate. ST600 provides 20 TB space with 20 TB data transfer rate. Last but not the least, InterServer also provides dedicated hosting servers. As per the user's requirements. You can get dedicated server hosting, large storage servers, 10 Gbps dedicated servers, and GPU dedicated servers, along with rapid deployment services. There you have the option to go with the range starting from 2-core CPU up to 52 cores, having variants of both Ryzen and Intel core processors. Depending on your choices, you can get an affordable price for your high-performance server setup. You may further configure the pricing based on the CPU core, memory, bandwidth, VLAN IP options, and OS of the system. Now coming to the pros and cons. InterServer is one of the most affordable hosting options that provide all-one solution to your all hosting requirements. Also, unlike other hosting services, which get limited hosting options, InterServer delivers unlimited services to justify its brand name. If you are new to InterServer, on the website you can check the tips section to sort any query related to their hosting programs. The only con we could find with InterServer is that sometimes their customers have encountered issues while connecting to their support team. Though they have email support and live chat options, sometimes they take a little extra time to solve customers' queries. Otherwise, thumbs up to InterServer for its most affordable and unlimited web hosting services. If you are interested in InterServer, you can check the link given in the description to make a purchase. To see more of such interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications of all the latest video updates. Thank you all. See you in the next video.